We're here at 705 East Buffalo Street to take a look at a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment here on the first floor of this Italianate mansion that was built in 1890. We're gonna go on in through the entrance. These are the original oak doors here. It's very beautiful. I'm gonna show you a lot of interesting features in this apartment. Let's go on in. We'll go in through the doors. So we go through the doors, and there's a couple of apartment doors right here. We're going into apartment 3. Let's go on in and take a look. We'll start in with the bedrooms. We're gonna go in immediately to our right is bedroom 1. So a nice feature in this apartment is the super high ceilings. This is the highest ceilings we have of any apartments that we have here in Collegetown. There's some beautiful wallpaper detail up on the top. It's a really pretty fern wallpaper look. The ceilings have some nice detailing. These 2 windows face to the west, so we are looking over the front porch of the building. So it's nice and bright. All of the bedrooms will have the full-size bed, dresser, desk and chair, and bookshelf. Another feature we have in some of the rooms here is you can see over on the right, that's a wardrobe for you to put your clothes in. These older homes were not necessarily built with closets, and after some renovations, we'll add a wardrobe for keeping your clothes in. You can also put things on your bookshelf and your dresser. We'll go into the next bedroom. Another nice feature here in these would be the flooring in some of these. Okay, you can see as we're going into room 2, that beautiful woodwork on the floor, that beautiful oak floor. Look at this gorgeous archway in here. That's a really nice feature to have in your room. It just makes it really pretty and nice for decorating. This room has 1 large window facing over to the south. And again, high ceilings in here. Room 2 is another of the bedrooms that has the wardrobe. And again, the furnishings, full-size bed, dresser, desk and chair, and a bookshelf. All of the bedroom doors will have a lock, and you've got that lock on the front door as well. We've come past the front door. We're gonna go down the hallway, and we will go into the living room area next. This is a grand living space. You can see a lot of beautiful detailing in here. Over on the left is a gorgeous decorative fireplace mantle. That's original to the house as well. You can see the beautiful stained glass detailing here in this nook where we have the dining table set up. Those windows are beautiful. There's some nice detailing around the sides of the archway. Again, with the beautiful wallpaper trim at the top. You can see the other side of that archway that we had seen in that previous bedroom. The living room will have the sofa, an easy chair, coffee table, and table. You've got that dining set. You can arrange things however you like within the apartment. We also saw that nice light fixture that we went by. Let's go and look at the kitchen area. So here's our kitchen area here. It's an open layout. You can see over on the left we have a refrigerator. Behind that is the microwave. There's the stove, dishwasher, sink, and good cabinet space in here and good cupboards. Let's go over and see the next bedroom. We've got some beautiful oak doors that we go through to get to the last bedroom and the bathroom. We're going into bedroom 3 right here. This one has a different color wallpaper trim at the top, so it's a slightly different look to it. This one is the smallest of the bedrooms. However, it does have one feature that the other rooms don't, and that is a larger actual closet. So you can see the closet here over on the left. That's actually pretty deep, so you can store a lot of stuff in there. So this is a great bedroom. Same furnishings, and it's here at the end of the apartment. We're right across the hall from the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. We have the tub shower, the toilet, the vanity, a cute little shelf in there. So that's a look at the bathroom. So that's a look at this house. We're here at 705 East Buffalo Street in the apartment number 3. This is the 3-bedroom, 1-bath apartment here on the first floor of this 1890 Italianate mansion. And we are about 1 block away from the original Eddy Street gate entrance to the university.